Hey, what's up guys? Today we got the support again. I mean Acura TLX, right?
Yeah.
Fire.
It's a Honda Civic 2002.
We're gonna be installing this diffuser today in the back. It has a little chrome part right here. I mean bronze part. Can't even talk.
It's like rose gold.
This sparking got me. It goes right here. As you can see, it kind of chipped the paint. It's gonna hide it.
I wonder who did that.
It was me. I fucked it up. Anyway, let's start off by taking out the back bumper. Installing this, you have to drill a hole in the body, right there, and right there. And when you take out the bumper, there's a marking, if you could see, right there, on both sides, and you have to drill it out. Keep the carbon fiber though. Alright, this is scary as hell. Imagine it's the wrong hole.
Is it?
No, I'm kidding.
What size is that?
That's a good question. I don't know. You'll figure it out. Alright guys, so we're done with this, but his Widebody came in. Right now we're just test fitting it. It looks thick. Oof. Just gonna have to get the fitment right, but it's not even that bad. I have a 20, I mean, he has a 20mm spacer on right now. This thing is way too nice.
Should I move the car there?
You realize no one else has this kit, right?
Nope.
Literally no one else has this kit. First one in America right now.
I got the fenders, might as well bolt them.
We also got this plastic panel that goes on top of the fog light.
I shouldn't have done that, bro.
You need help?
Nah, I got it. Fuck yeah.
It goes way more down. A lot more down. Alright, hold this real quick.
Make sure it lines up. Is it lining up? Nah. That's too out. That's too out.
You sure?
Is it right? Oh, fuck it, you do what you want to do.
Is it good?
Yeah, it looks good. Yeah, it's good.
Eyeballed it. It just
What
eyeballed
don't
it.
we eyeball?
Yeah, it's perfect.
Oh, I'm gonna.
I was recording the whole thing. Alright. This side now. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like.
Doesn't look complete without the lip.
Yeah, he also has the lip kit coming. The one you always see on every single Accord. And the side skirts and the back ones too. So stay tuned. It's like a build in progress right now. I know it looks like half done, but part 2 is coming soon. with this quarantine thing is like really hard. No?
It's cold.
It's cold, it's cold. Alright guys, deuces.